Okay guys, what's up? Lighting's not very good. I don't know if you can hear the music upstairs, but it is 10:51. It's freezing freaking cold in Indiana. It's so damn cold it broke my watch. No, it won't tell me the weather on there. But today was the first day back to class. So I didn't I did but I didn't. Okay. I'm going to explain this when we get to the computer, but right now I need to get some food and stuff in because I am dying hungry and this weather is killing me. I just wanted to kind of do this little segment because it's back to school time. I'm on scholarship, so no, I will not drop out of school. That's a waste of money, and if your mind thinks like my mind does, that's value that you can add to your resume, everything else, for just in case anything happens and you can still be fine in life. So, been up since about 6, going to have a protein shake, listen to the Daily V, which if you don't watch, I'm going to link Gary Vaynerchuk's thing in the bottom or in the description. Definitely go check him out. Gonna have caffeine. Watch this, have a protein shake, and then we're gonna get into this video. So thank you guys for watching. Okay guys, what's up? We are now in front of the computer. The heck was that? Okay, well I am extremely cold. Had my protein shake, getting ready to have my caffeine, my phone. Still going crazy this morning after I muted all of my alerts because I had class today. And basically this one was up Friday and it fell Friday. Or this was pre-market and then it fell. And then it gapped down, and then this was the one that I was looking at because again, I didn't have my phone really. Like all I had was my phone and the TD Ameritrade software to look at it on there on my phone. Didn't have a computer in front of me because my teacher said don't need laptops today. So kind of bit the bullet today. My computer is just not gonna work. But as you can see from this, it popped up almost to this line, that whole dollar line, 5 cents, so then it was 95, and then it just started falling. And this was the trade that I wanted to be in. Okay, this was by far the trade that I wanted to be in. Could not get in. There was no shares to short. So once again, instead of forcing a trade when our trade wasn't there, did not force it. We let it be. Today was just a sign not to trade. Couldn't use my laptop. No shares to short off of my phone. So, and I trade off my phone normally, but I always have my computer in front of me. So really, no big problem today. Didn't lose money. Didn't make money, which is sad, but we didn't lose money. It's a big thing, and we were disciplined enough to not try to force a trade somewhere. But again, this gap down pattern works, and if you haven't seen it yet, wait till the end of the video and it will be in the end. All you do is click on it and go to it. Learn this pattern. If you guys want to short, learn this pattern, learn how to learn support and resistance, and learn this pattern, and you will be a successful trader. Guarantee it. So with that being said, this is just a short video. Please smash that thumbs up button. Trying to do some more stuff, creating some more videos right now. So I'll see you guys in the next one.